Here's the little chocolate boy. I'm whining because Daddy's on the other side of the fence. So Daddy's on the other side of the fence and I can't get to him. Okay. We're doing the dominance game. No, I'm not getting in there right now. No, I'm trying to take a video. You little needy thing. You little needy thing. They were all needy. There's a little chocolate girl over there playing with the toy. Two chocolate boys. There goes one of the chocolate boys. And the other crybaby boy. I'm a crybaby because I want Daddy to get in here and play with me. Yeah, I want Daddy to play with me. See, we're rotten. See, we're rotten. There's a little chocolate boy. Yeah, see, I got cuteness. I got cuteness. Yeah. There's a little black and white girl. Yeah. There's that little black and white girl. And we played a little, we're 5 weeks old and we played a little dominance game. So we'll be 6 weeks old next week. I'm not getting in there right now. Daddy's trying to take a video. If I get in there, y'all be all over me. Yes. I'm not getting in there right now. You just got to wait. You gotta wait. Daddy's doing video. Are you needy? Are you needy this morning? So we just got a bath this morning and our nerves are tore up. We need some puppy love. Yeah, oh. We gotta have puppy love. We gotta have puppy love. So we got my little crybaby chocolate boy that wants Daddy. Got a little black and white girl behind him. It's the one with the white blaze on her face. We got the chocolate girl and the black girl over there wrestling. That's the little chocolate girl. And it looks like the little black face girl's winning. They're trying to play the dominance game and just having fun. So we got to figure out who the alpha dog is. We're trying to figure out who the alpha dog is going to be. we got some tail pulling going on over here. We're pulling puppy tails. We're pulling puppy tails. Why are you doing that, huh? So you think we're killing each other, but we don't even have teeth. See, we don't even have baby teeth yet. We just sound ferocious. I see you staring at Daddy. I know. You just want to be held, don't you? Just want to be babied. I just want Daddy to baby me. Okay, little attitude. Okay, little attitude. The little chocolate girl's over entertaining herself. And y'all had to go mess with her. There's my whiny boy.